What up, it's your boy Arcane Blacksmith back at it again with another video. How you guys doing? Today we're going to be doing Subway Surfers. I already foreshadowed this in a video of my Clumsy Ninja video. In fact, go watch my old videos before you watch this one, if you want. Or don't, you can watch it right now, whichever one you really want. So like I said, today we're playing Subway Surfers, and as you can see, I've already played some of it. So this game is pretty much just a this is pretty much a hand-eye coordinator-atron, whatever the heck this thing is. Point today is just to be good. Why don't I have the music? Because I want you guys to hear my lovely, beautiful, amazing voice. No, not really. It's exactly because I don't want you to hear it. I don't want you to hear the music. Because sometimes the music gets in the way of some of my videos. Looking at you, Monster Legends gameplay number 2. And Geometry Dash. Oh yeah, I watch my videos before after I record them. And before I record them. So yeah. Wait, what? Before I record them? What? Anyway, while we're running, I wanted to tell you guys that, we've decided to make this into a vlog, well, kind of a vlog channel. Well, no, not this channel. We're gonna make another channel, and it's going to be a vlog channel. After about, like, 10 more videos, vlog channel. That's just an announcement to you guys. So when you see a vlog channel, and, you don't know why it's there, just watch this video. No, today we don't really have a goal except for to just, complete some challenges maybe. Move to the side, duck. There's not really a lot of pressure when you play this game. Or that's just me. Maybe it's just me. Boop, boop. Jump. Jump. Oh, God. Oh, God. So, what else did I mean to tell you guys? Oh, yeah, that's right. I'm learning how to do console gameplays. So, I have the choice of 3 consoles. 2 of them I cannot use exactly right now, so we're going to start with the PS4. And so, since we start with a PS4, I want you guys to pick a game between Crash Bandicoot. Yes, I even have I have Skylanders, Injustice, Mortal Kombat, and now I'm forgetting. Oh wait, I also have some internet games like Brawlhalla or DC Universe. I have a lot more games. I just need to tell you. I just need to get them. This is just a simple talk with you guys. So, obviously, as you can see, this fat police officer looking like, you know what? No, I'm not gonna roast him. I got other people to roast here. Oof. Why does this mustache take up half of his face? I should grow a beard like that takes up half of my face. Maybe when I'm older. Point is, my finger keeps gyrating and I keep moving into stuff, so I'm not too happy exactly. Your homie has the skateboard 21. Anyway, I'll still be doing mobile games, but now I'm gonna start doing console games. Then I'm gonna start doing computer games. I'm just gonna do all types of games. For a PC fan, or a console fan, or a mobile game fan. You felt that crack? I felt the crack in my voice. In fact, I did the crack in my... In fact, I was the one who did the crack in my voice, so why wouldn't I feel it? I got coins on coins on coins. Now let's actually try. See, look at that. Look at how fast I go. Whee! You did not see that. Or you did. I don't know. I don't care, really. There's not really anything to not see. Yeah, I'm jumping. I'll be jumping. Also, I'm coming up as a rapper. You wanna know my name? Wait, of course I'm gonna tell you my name. My name's Lil Shark. And I spell it very differently. Well, not very differently, but just differently, so you guys will not know how to spell it and then not take my credit. Oh, look at that. See Monster Legends right there? I'm probably going to be doing another gameplay of that, too. So, this video is pretty much just to tell you all the new stuff that's going to be happening in the channel. My sister's going to join me in some of the videos. She's mostly going to be in my vlogging channel. She's there because I can't be alone. Well, not because I'm not. Not because of supervision or something. Well, my dad's gonna be supervision, but my sister's coming with me for fun. Imagine if this were real life and that jump just happened, and then you slid downwards. You'd just break everything. Your legs would hurt. You know what I'm saying? Well, I have one goal for us today now. Just to beat this Subway Surfers goal. I mean, my Subway Surfers high score. Sorry. I have even a shadow. What just happened? But like I said, the point of this video right now is to beat my score. Last time we did the Geometry Dash, it was a fail. Like I said, I'm trash. Ooh, a star. That was the funniest noise I think of. No one saw that. And I'm just starting, so I don't have a lot of keys. I'll do whatever it takes to give my fans the goal of this video. Oh yeah, coins for days, homie. I like the tricks that they do. No, there's one trick that I specifically like. That one. That's my favorite trick. Whew. Pop the Molly, I'm sweating. Who? What was that noise? I mean, I know it was me, but why would I make that? My arm. So, also, I'm going to be doing more. I also want you guys to vote on some mobile games to do. My exception is only kid games. Well, not kid games, but I'm talking about, like, games that are not immature. I'm talking about, like, something like what I'm playing right now. Or maybe something like Monster Legends or something. I mean, games with blood are okay. Just not games with mature content, except blood and gore. Roll 30 times. Good job. Oof. Too bad. I can't die. Oh, we beat the score. That was easy, I think. At least it was. Wait, what? You know, I really don't have the talking capacity. No. Jump, jump, jump. Up, up, and away. Up, up, and away. Up, up, and away. I felt that. Slide. Boop, boop. Collecting the coins. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Slide downwards. Up, down. Jump, jump. Come on. Up, up, down, down. Left, right, left, right. Pretty sure you're supposed to press... Oh. You're just supposed to go to whatever you want. And then press the blue square thing. You know, whatever you want. So now I've destroyed my high score. And that's the end of the video. Comment down below, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.